Before we met Dr. Mark and Jana Levandovsky, we tried 3 private doctors with the goal of resolving my GI issues that have impacted my entire life. What started this journey was the simple fact that most days I could not leave the house due to living in the bathroom in misery. We couldn't plan trips, we couldn't plan local outings like hiking here in Colorado. Thankfully, we discovered PMCC when I was nearly ready to give up trying to fix these issues. Now, Ashley and I expected to resolve my GI issues, but what we did not expect to find out was that we both were in poor condition.
One of the tests that we did was a microbiome test. When we got the results, it surprised us to find out my gut was actually in worse shape than Jeff's was. And we had no idea. I didn't expect this since I felt fine day to day without any obvious issues. Later in our journey, as we explored and dissected our diets, there were foods I thought were fine for me that ended up being the cause of my cough that I've had for 8 years. After experimenting and removing the foods, my cough ended up disappearing within maybe about a week.
If we hadn't accepted this with an open mind, we would never have discovered how many food issues we both had lurking behind the scenes, impacting our day-to-day life. Now, working with PMCC, we successfully changed what we eat, the way we eat, what we accept into our life outside of food, our dedication towards fitness, mental health, skincare, the list goes on. Whenever we needed answers and support from either Mark or Jana, they were right there by our side. This is flat out something you don't get with standard healthcare. Now, having gained the positive experience with PMCC, I no longer live in the bathroom. We can take trips, we can go outside more, and finally enjoy life here in Colorado. I don't think we would have had this level of success without the help of both Dr. Mark and Jana Levandovsky.